Check this pondless waterfall out. It's got 3 waterfalls, real colorful plants on the side, coming down really nice, cascading hard. Got 3 of them here. Look at this crazy setup. I did this a few years back. A nice marsh rock placements here. Look at this. Definitely cascading nice. Coming down. Gotta get some new mulch in there, but still early spring. We got a 3rd one over here. The whole thing right there. There's a nice cascade right here. Look at these rocks here. It's coming hard. Yeah, coming down. Get the pan back shot. This is really good. Those orange plants are incredible. That's a perennial. Love that one. Use that all the time. Check this out. Right there. Wow. Some setup in the front of that house. That's a big house for big waterfalls. Right there, where it should be. Pond Paradise Designs.